sharing this important, beautiful day with them. There are no obligations on earth more sweeter or tender than those they are about to assume. There are no vows more solemn than those that they are about to make. True love in marriage is the most sacred of all earthly relationships. So let us all come together now as family and friends to witness and support and to celebrate this union of Jeffrey and Erin. And who gives this woman to be wedded to this man?
I do.
You may be seated.
Can we sit here?
Scott was supposed to post the pictures.